Here's how to make $1,000 or more with OpusClip. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So if you don't know what OpusClip, it's basically this, what you see here on the screen. You can literally take a horizontal video, make it vertical, make it into clips, and then have text show up on the screen. And the AI software that's within OpusClip clips out the most engaging or the most funny or the most action parts of your video. That's why I love it so much, because it's a time saver. I used to have to manually do this, and it would take forever to just get one clip, to first of all find the one clip and then have to add the text manually for each clip. So I've been using OpusClip for over a year now. I'm very familiar with it. I pretty much use it almost on a daily basis for ourselves and for our clients. And here are some of my ideas on how you can make $1,000 or more with OpusClip. So this is stuff that we're currently doing, and maybe it'll work for you as well. Okay, so the first way is to offer this as a service. What do I mean by that? So OpusClip is an AI software tool that allows you to take long form clips and make them into short vertical clips with text. And I'm saying to literally offer that as a service. It's so in demand right now. I mean, if you just look at YouTube Shorts, Reels, Facebook, they're all doing vertical video. And there's so many people out there that are doing long form in horizontal, which is like the traditional way of doing video, and they're looking for ways to repurpose and create more content out of that one piece of video. So just to give you an example of how we offered this as a service, we had a client that had a bunch of long form videos that they filmed. And so they had this piece of content which is like a long form horizontal video, and they wanted to repurpose that video to create more clips out of that. And so we suggested taking that clip and making vertical shorts out of it. And with this one client, with this one project, we charged over $1,000 to create short video clips, just like this one you see on the screen. Now, honestly, you can do this yourself, or you can actually train someone to do it. So originally I was doing all these Opus clips, but I actually trained one of our employees to do it, because the software is so user-friendly. And so I was able to get him to do the whole project. And once you get familiar with the OpusClip software, you can bang out these clips pretty fast. All right, so you might be saying, okay, well, what if I don't have clients? That's no problem. You can still offer this as a standalone service on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and I've typically seen these kinds of video clips go for $10 to $15 per video, sometimes more, sometimes less, but I wouldn't recommend going below $10 per video for this service. And so you might be thinking, oh, $10, that's not a lot. Well, here's the thing. Opus has the ability to create so many clips. So if someone gives you like a 15-30 minute clip, it can spit out like 20 to 30 clips for you. Now, keep in mind, not all of them are going to be good, but most of them are going to be usable. And so even if you got 10 clips out of that at the 10 to 15 rate, and if you get really good and really fast at this like I have, I can pretty much do that whole thing in like less than 30 minutes. And the second way is you can integrate this into your pre-existing services. So let me give you an example. For us, we manage YouTube channels, and we have this service called YouTube Channel Management. It's our premium high-end service that we hand select clients for. And so when we're making the pitch and we're, trying to sell this and close the deal, we offer this as a service integrated with the whole package. And honestly, our clients love this service because they're already going to be filming videos, right? And we're able to extract and get a bunch of short clips that they can then post to their social media. Now you might have this question, do you tell your clients that you're actually using OpusClip as the software to do these clips? And the answer is yes. We're very upfront, honest, and we actually say we use an AI software called OpusClip. And we tell them it's an AI tool and it helps us create a bunch of shorts. It makes it look really good. And they have no problem with it because they have no intention of doing it themselves. That's why they're looking to have this done as a service. The people that are looking for this service, they're looking to save time because they know that they're going to have to get this, they're going to have to learn it, it might take some time, they might not enjoy it, so they would rather get someone else to do it. And that's where you can come in. And so because this is a premium service, our YouTube channel management services, this generates well over the $1,000 a month with OpusClip. And it has enhanced our premium package of YouTube channel management. So that's why I love using OpusClip so much. So that's how we're using OpusClip to generate well over $1,000 plus a month using this really cool AI software. Here's the third way that we're also making additional income from Opus, and it is with the affiliate program. So they have an awesome affiliate program where Opus will literally give you a commission every time someone uses your link and signs up to get OpusClip. Now you'll receive a commission either monthly or a one-time if they get the yearly package. And I love it because Opus isn't an expensive software, whether you're doing it monthly or doing the yearly. In my opinion, it's an easy sell because it's an AI software that clips it for you, it saves you time, it makes it look really good with all the captions. You can do branding, and so you can brand it to your clients or your customers. And so how I make affiliate is, one, I recommend this to our clients if they want to do it themselves. And two, I create YouTube tutorials like this. And then at the end of the video, I tell people to head down to the description below. If they found the video helpful, they can use our link to get OpusClip. And, that would be greatly appreciated if they used our link if they found our video helpful. And so every month we make affiliate commission from Opus just by creating simple tutorial videos like this. So that's kind of the third bonus way. So if you don't have Opus, head down to the description if you found this video helpful. That would be greatly appreciated if you use our link. And if you already have Opus, think of ways of how you can utilize this in your business with your services or creating a new service to generate some income from it. Let me know if you found this video helpful by hitting the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.